When the machine arrives, first power on the main power supply. This key, the white one, is the start key. After plugging in the key, screw to the right to start. Let's start the car. Right hand count. Push the second operating panel forward a little bit. Lift this hammer up a bit. Lift the hydraulic hammer out. The hydraulic hammer is locked inside this sleeve. Remove these 4 screws. Remove this rod. Move the hydraulic hammer over here. 1, 2, 3, 3 holes here, 3 holes here. Tighten it all with screws. Tighten all 6 screws. Pull back the sun operating valve. After the guide rail is retracted to the bottom, push the 4th operating valve forward. 1, 2, 3. Pushing forward and backward, the guide rail will rise up. 3 screws here, 3 screws on the other side. Tighten all. Just tighten all the screws.